Hello Luigi, hello Sheldon. Welcome to the Case Show. Hello Zaina, welcome to the stream.
Hello. Hello, Case. Hello, gamers. Hi, Sultan. Hi, Luigi. I'm here in stream for once. Who knows? Maybe if I get that other job, I'll be here more often.
Hopefully.
I mean, based off of the shit show I had last night, I fuck working in kitchens. Me and my homies hate working in kitchens.
Man, wearing a tank top was the wrong choice. It's so warm.
You could go shirtless today, but you'd have to move the camera.
Nah, it's fine.
Everything is fine. Hi, Clayman.
Hello Clayman. Y'all like the drama video yesterday? The drama Monday?
Civilian gaming. Hi, retard.
That is the wrong audio speaker. Hello retard. Oh yeah, I fixed rail grinding. Dude, I fixed so many physics off stream. We had an issue where wall jumps would sometimes just not work properly. Now they work properly again. We had an issue where the rails would sometimes just start you off at 0 speed, which was pretty bad. You are caught up on the case lore. Very nice.
I am also caught up on the K's lore. Scalinio seems like a very funny guy.
I wonder if he's gonna make an answer video to my...
You know what, I'm kind of hoping it's like the other call-out video that was calling out you and Skellux, and that one other guy that nobody gives a shit about.
That was also Scalinio, but on an alt account.
Scalinio's alt account?
Yeah, he made another video like on his alt account about me and Skellux.
I mean, it also sounded like a bootleg donkey, but I don't know if he used a voice-changing software or something.
He sounded like a little child that didn't know how to speak into a microphone to me.
Hi, Epic Meme Gamer.
Hello, Epic Meme. What the fuck?
I mean, that video was very funny. There's a toad up there. What's he doing there?
He's supposed to talk to you.
I guess, dude.
Me and Skellux, basically the same person. Besties.
You and Skellux? Besties? What?
Hello, Just Dude. Hello, Kirby.
Spyro 1 OST.
Spyro. Okay, let's do Spyro 1. Are you still modeling? Yes, I'm very handsome. I have to model. Can you really waste my modeling talent? Come on. The world needs to see me.
Hi, Lila.
Don't die. Alright.
Nothing in my mug, except like a small bit of coffee.
Oh.
We are fine.
Hello, Gaming Force. New haircut looks good. Oh, right, I completely forgot I have a new haircut.
We went to the closest barber that was open. We got there an hour before they closed. and they had 2 other people that they were working on before.
And there were 2 barbers.
2 barbers.
And they had 2 people. And we had to wait for an hour.
Because of the little kid that just wasn't having. Am I gonna make pixel art of K's again? Probably not. Hi, Skyloft. I mean, I could probably make a better one if I understand how pixel art works a little better. But this is just made out of boredom. What?
We don't need pixel art.
Don't do pixel art?
Just don't.
But what if I want to because it looks like fun?
Suffering.
I just might, Leela.
Okay, so you're not streaming on Fridays anymore? No, there's no reason for me not to stream Fridays. Hello, Parax. Been away for a few weeks and we're still doing the new course too? Yes. I think we haven't been working this long on this course, have we? Let me check my clips channel. I thought this course was done in like almost no time. Let's see, when did we start? Art style test. Oh, it's like 1.5 months. That's not long.
That's not long at all.
No, we've been working on the game for, what, like 2 years? A bit more than that? 2.5. Has it been 2.5 years?
2.5 years already.
That's like 30 months, and we have 8 courses done. So, the usual is like 3 to 4 months. Getting one done in 2 months would be insane. What fucking question, Leela? Any possible things with wrong draw orders? Yes, invert the draw order. So he wants to work on projects and sometimes for me. Is it because you're too old? Yes. Then do it. No. Inverting the draw order is hard.
It's kind of insane at how many finished projects you're able to make in the span of 2 years, though.
Yeah. I mean, while doing this, I also did Return to Through the Ages. Through the Ages and the Banjo hack. Which, I don't know if you saw it, but the Banjo hack is like almost 110 stars finished. And that was while I was working on RTYI. Look at this. We're in the second to last course in this game. This is Rusty Bucket Gay. Rusty Fucket Gay. The last thing I did here was program this part. We can ground pound the thing here and new. And then I imported this enemy here. How many stars will be in Benjamin 64? 140. Alright, what would be an appropriate animation for this? We just want him to not seem dead, so... That works by me. I once again forgot how to actually do this properly in Blender, so I'm just gonna do this. That looks fucked up. Tanya Bonita Kawaii. I wonder who that is.
Hi, Tanya.
Tanya Dolce. You can whip on his toes. His toes don't have an animated bone. What the fuck? He got the boombox animation.
Mm-hmm.
He's happy as fuck.
He's having the time of his life. I think we need a couple of dancing toads there too.
During the Star Festival, yes.
I think he ate too much sugar. I think he ate too many mushrooms. Oh, I just remembered. I wanted to do my cafe billboard and I never got to it.
Oh yeah. I think Biobike had some billboards too, but I never got them. Hi, my love, Uvu and Case.
Hello, Tanya.
Oh shit, I forgot to mention that. I'm making a list of 100 level improvements I made on RTYI, and I just realized one more. Mario does not bonk on a wall if ground pounding in front of it. Let's see, I have a total of 80 improvements I made to the physics in RTYI. Or engine and physics. 80. Hello, Magic Gamer.
I'm Magic Gamer.
I want the toads to have multiple idle animations, so I'm gonna add one more. He's good to be back. Welcome back. This one's just whipping back and forth. Just trying to make a few quick animations so they're not all the same. We're stuck at your mom's for a week. Dang, that sucks. I hope I'm never stuck at my mom's again. I hate being at my mom's. The problem is, they have no food at my mom's. When I had to stay over at my mom's, I just got a bag of sunflower seeds and I just ate them all the time. Because they were not having any food in the house, except for candy.
And carbs.
And not even really carbs, just fucking candy.
That's not a proper
Hello,
diet.
All-Star Gamer.
Hi, All-Star Gamer.
They're tasty. Well, I don't want to eat a fucking pudding for breakfast.
Yeah, there's worse things you could eat for breakfast.
And then a pudding for lunch. And then a fucking Mars bar for dinner.
That sounds really excessive.
Alright. Another idle animation. What else could they be doing? Maybe one guy jumping in place. Yeah, the guy excited for the races should just be jumping in place, I think. Donation? Oh shit, shit, shit. Where is it? I missed it. I'm sorry. That was from beta though. I saw that. I saw the beta in there.
Is that what I think it is? It definitely is.
It's not Erica.
What?
I know, disappointing. It's a really weird song. I don't know what I'm listening to. Starbucks? Is the breakdance finished? Nope. And I was not thinking it was gonna be a breakdance. That is news to me. Hamburger! What the fuck? Skellux in his young years? Where? Did I see other question? Could I meme review my cross-eyed cat? Of course you can meme review that. You can meme review whatever you want. Look at her. Alright, let's meme review Leela's cat. Her new cat? You have a new cat? Oh god. Yeah, I think your cat is... I think your cat has something. I don't know what it is.
That is a very nice cat.
Her cat looks a little bit on the stupid side.
She's adorable, but she's stupid. She is Delta.
I don't know how adorable Delta is. Alright, I guess next step is making the toads talkable. Is VSC still possible in my hack? I actually don't know, let's test it. Can you do VSC in this hack? In case you guys don't know, VSC is vertical speed conversation. So if you gain a lot of speed and vertical speed, and the game conserves it. So like, let's say I did a triple jump here, and the triple jump ended with me like landing perfectly on the platform like that. And then you punch until you reach the other side, and if you press B, you would have upwards momentum at the end. That's vertical speed conversation. I guess an easier way to test vertical speed conversation is like this. Mario should fall real fast. No, there's no VSC. No, you don't need to see up. I'll show you guys VSC in the original game, so you got it. It looks really funky. Let's see, this one should have it. Let's go to a spot where it's easy to do VSC. Like, Pose in a dark world should have it easy. Let's see. Oh yeah, this is a very easy spot to do VSC. So let's say you land here. What? I thought I was safe from the bottom. Okay, wait. We're doing it here. What? I thought that was... How is that not a VSC spot? Where else can we do VSC here? I thought all of this was easily VSCable. Maybe with like a precise angle here? Nope. 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 Come on. Come on. I just want one VSC, please. I'm sure you can do it here. Okay, you know what? I'll show you negative VSC instead. So if you roll out like that, and then you get off the edge, Mario falls really, really fast. Like that. Like there's something just pulling him down. Wait, what if you can do VSC here? Nope, also not here. Weird. There's something about this thing called racing. What the fuck, dude? I'm so pissed. I'm fuming. Thanks for streaming to get me mind of it. Dude, I'm glad to provide. Mario Sunshine. Oh yeah, Mario Sunshine is VSC too. What is a VSC? Vertical speed conservation. I didn't fix intentionally, but I'm pretty sure that in stationary step, stationary ground step here, because I have removed the take step condition here, VSC is gone, because this should just set Mario's speed to 0. Yeah. I don't know where it does that, probably here. I don't know, but that's probably why. No, I think it's just gone. No more VSC.
Hi, Spindrill.
Hello, Spindrill. Epic. Well, it was not really a bug that would be an issue for you. It's more like something you had to purposely abuse. So it being gone, I think is not a good thing. But it's also not a huge negative, because it fixes so many bugs to remove that it's worth it. I know, I'm just pretending to be happy about it. Wow, you dick.
Finally did it. I have a good-ish billboard.
Okay, 1 second. Let's see the billboard.
It's a very simple one, but I think it works to just make the little city feel alive.
Ooh, that's neat, but does it fit the art style?
I mean, you could probably change the colors a little bit to make it fit a little better.
Yeah, because I mean
most billboard references I've seen are very simple.
Because this is like such a different art style.
Yeah.
This one fits the level. You think maybe we can like fit the colors to make this work like that?
Possibly. I mean, I could make a more beachy themed Cafe Koopa billboard.
I think it's also like the colors.
Yeah, this is more coffee colors.
Yeah, I mean I can try putting it in and seeing what happens.
Koopa Surf Shop too. Do we need one of those?
We can have one. Did you leave any fun glitches in the game? I left BLJ in there on purpose. Wait, did I? Yeah, I did. Okay. One change I'm gonna make to this, the top here, it's kind of wasting space, so I'm moving that down a bit.
Alright.
So we can maximize texture resolution. Right, same with this, because the texture is just gonna repeat at the end.
I mean, it's supposed to be a little bit spacious like that. It's kind of the point of this kind of build.
Yeah, but it's gonna be clamped.
Oh.
So the last pixel is just gonna be repeated infinitely.
I see. I just had an idea.
That looks poop. That looks like poop.
Oh no, what'd you do to my billboard? Oh no.
That is slightly better. Cheer 10! Thank you. Cheer 10 to you as well. Happy cheer 10. Interesting, the smoke texture that you get when you burn your ass was discovered to be a glitch 2 years ago. Oh, I have a completely custom smoke texture, so that's not even an issue in this game. Wait, we don't want to actually use this texture, right? Because you're still going to change the colors.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm just going to put it in like this as an art reference for later. It's the same AV. Adult video. It's the same lava boost as you get in the original. What do you mean? Should just model a pole instead of making metal bars. Why? Isn't this the best? I don't know if, I mean, you want them to be like on top of a pole? I'm trying to understand what you mean by a pole exactly. Also, you have to have it tilted forwards, and then there's a pole at the front, and the pole supports both sides here. Bob ist eine fette Katze. Well, you would say fette, not fat. Alright, time to give the tools texts. Check talk high uses bparam 1. Okay, perfect. How do you say hi Mara in German? You would say hello Mara. Check hydration and posture check. My god, can I not have ball posture for just 1 second? Yes, fette. I prefer fette over dicker. Fette sounds more offensive but means the exact same thing.
Bye.
It's funny. With what code are you writing this? None. I am writing it by hand. Does cloning punch grab delay still work in the new engine? Yes, I think so. What did she say? What's the stupidest glitch you ever got in one of your mods? There was one time I had a bug where if you would jump with Mario, one object in the game would get insane forward speed and last impact, and I didn't know where it was from. That was very hard to debug because at the time there were no debuggers. We had to do it without a debugger. Can even protect cats. Yeah, I mean, she was spot on, better.
This was a reaction.
Okay, wait, let's see it. What did she say? 30 bits, I will meme review this.
Day was like, okay. And how is it? I'm playing the new bingo. Oh my god, GTM, did he tell you to ask that? Wow.
GTM is a trooper for saying no after that. Like, no, I came here on my own accord to ask that. Okay, what does the surfer toad say?
Our fucking bunga.
Now you should be like about, never expected to see a toad surf, right? You thought it was just for Koopas. Something like that. You should be really smug about it. Do you still add that dig test map to your hex? No. I'm not remaking Last Impact, that would be way too much work. It'd be less work to just make a new hack that's better. But is he really smug about it but really bad at it? That would be even funnier. Alright, let's see the poll thing. Oh, yes. That could totally work. But wouldn't it look like it's paper thin once we do that? I don't like it looking paper thin. I have a better idea. Okay, we think about the smug toast in a second. Not toast. He's a toad, not a toast. And I fix the texture here real quick. This is what I want. I think that looks better. And it's polygon efficient. Such a low resolution, it looks like it's censored. I mean, it's a Japanese game. Remember the dig test map? Please add cock to RTY. No! Opinion on R34 Mario. I never looked that up and I don't want to. Alright, let's make the toad smug. And I want a pun to be in there. I'm sure there's a pun about toad and surfing. Hello, Biobag, you're just in time. We need a pun about Toad and surfing. Turfing? That's not a pun. We want the smuggest Toad in the world. He should be talking about how good at surfing he is and how uncommon it is. Like, he's not like the other Toads.
I'm not like other Toads.
Thought surfing's just for Koopas? Think again. And then a pun. I'm so good at surfing, there isn't much room on the podium for the Koopas. No. That is not what I wanted. I really don't want like the fun guy part. That's like, no. Koopa the Quick, more like Koopa the Bitch. He should talk about how rad he is. Is there pun with Toad and being rad? I'm the reddest Toad on the beach. Da ba 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 ba. I'm totally red. I don't know about that one. It's so good, it's bad. All music will be pre-recorded? No. I wish we could have all music pre-recorded, but that is impossible. A pre-recorded song is way too big for that. All the big level themes are pre-recorded to save on processing time and to make it sound better. Alright, next Toad Citizen. 43. It's this guy. But there's another issue I just noticed. These are the lines of my big mushroom hand doesn't even touch the water when I get inside the waves. Well, I mean, you're not supposed to touch the water, so that doesn't really work. Mushroom puns jokes. Oh no! What did the girl mushroom say to the boy mushroom? You are a fun guy. Of course, the very first one. How do you get into the mushroom? I don't get this one. With the mushroom. Ouch. They don't want to get in trouble. What the fuck is this? Yikes. Hello, Zara. Why would you reference Alice Real when this game is just gonna have Luigi in it? That would be a bit silly. Can you do a reference to Sonic, please? Please, Case, please. Case at Toad, Wario, Waluigi, Daisy, 4 players, split screen in the hack. There's so many stupid just essays people write me like that. Let's see if I can find one. Maybe I can find one for you guys real quick.
You should do this in your hack. Please put this, please.
What? I didn't export the level, I think. Let's see if I can find the 4-player one. I mean, there's definitely comments like this. Hey, why don't you make Mario? Hey, why don't you make a Mario all hey, you will make the idea that I told you.
What?
Please, that starts with all your hack ROMs. And that it can be played with 1 to 4 players. Smiley face. And you can choose all the Mario 64 skins online. And that there is more power up. Sad face. And that it is in Spanish and English. Please. I know, but it took like 3 fucking years trying to get me to see it. I get a lot of essays like that.
Well, thanks, Gaming Force. I'm the #1 reason Case is bad. Sad. I think I got another one.
The Spanish version is actually Plant Zero. Yo, thank you for the donation, Ninja.
Here's some money.
Thank you for the money. No song with it? Well, just thank you for the money.
This probably fits more in line with
Alright, let's see the Koopa Cafe.
It's not Koopa Cafe, it's something different.
Oh yes, this is great. I like this a lot. This is
Koopa Surf
perfect.
Shop.
Nice font too. I like it.
You're welcome.
Yeah, there's a good chance I will have all 3 versions, Sarah. But I think it's just for Koopas. Think again. Toads can be surfers too. I'm totally rad. Okay, that text was fucked up.
Maybe we should have a little, you know, like the little gift shop stand? Maybe we should have a little stand for snacks. Like you see those on the beaches where they have like little food stands with overpriced food?
Yeah, maybe. Well, I'm not really sure what to do with it.
Maybe you could have a Koopa there waiting in line saying that the food is a ripoff. Bring your own lunch.
Yeah. But it needs to have some sort of function.
Yeah.
I think. There needs to be some reward for exploring it. Because it would be such a big set piece.
Waluigi's taco stand in the new game.
Can you imagine if people made puns with the word human every time they talk? I think they do that a lot of the time. Make a line. I'm not making a fucking native port, just use an emulator.
I mean, that's why if you're ever going on a trip and you have a lot of tourist attractions, either buy food from a grocery store or pack a lunch. When I was in Germany, I'd always stop by a grocery store and get some food when I went exploring. It was a lot cheaper than just sitting at a restaurant.
Obviously. Restaurants fucking suck. And restaurants also just kill you with their food. Restaurant food is so trash, I hate it. Fuck restaurant food. Especially after hearing your stories about restaurants, I don't want to be in a restaurant.
I think if you and I ever have kids and they want to be a chef, I will just flat out refuse.
If they want to be a chef, let them, but I'm not. Who would want to be a chef?
I don't. Being a chef fucking sucks.
Yeah.
Backhanded job.
Gonna move to England for a year in late August? Okay. Donation from Ninja, thank you again. I'm gonna get banned for playing this on stream.
What is it?
It's Rick Astley.
Oh, okay. Of course.
Well, I don't mind making a German and a Spanish version of this. It should be very easy to do, which is the cool part. You can just like, if they have the dialogues.h thing. You can give the job to other people too when it's open sourced? Yes. Or we can do it before the first release and release it in all 3 languages. Don't you want to stop the song? No. If I get banned, I get banned. That's life. I'm not doing it at the start of the game, Mila. I'm doing it pre-compiled. Pretty sure. Just once at the start doesn't hurt. Okay, you program it. I don't wanna. Isn't it 3 code bases? Nope. It will just be 1 code base with the define. Right, you just look at the top, you just go like hashtag define English and then hashtag if dev English. And then you just have the English text and then the German text afterwards and then the Spanish ones. Do I actually use this? Nope. It's over. I don't know what those defines were for, but they were stupid. These can be changed now. Actually, no, this is accurate, actually. Cool. Is there any difference in performance between an NTSC and PAL 6 robots playing the same NTSC room? I have no idea. Ninja again!
Here's another song.
Alright.
Fortnite battle pass. I just shit out my ass. Booted up my PC.
Beautiful.
Cause I need to get that Fortnite battle pass. I like Fortnite. Did I mention Fortnite? I like Fortnite. It's nighttime. I mean it's 5 o'clock. That's basically nighttime. Now remember Cartoon Network Adventure Time.
Wait, I just realized the characters in the stage reference the Shooting Star Festival way too little. Weird Mario 65 released. Yeah, I've seen this one. Of course Unreal would upload it. Why? Okay, why are you watching Unreal? First of all, you need to justify yourself here. What's your excuse? I don't, Leela. I removed all the European stuff. And it's probably fucky to work with anyway. I'd rather just implement my own. You like that channel? He's just uploading other people's ROMX. I mean, it works for him. He makes probably good money out of it. It's a pretty good money to effort investment. I didn't export again. Wait, I did. Why does he just say wowza? Because that's his text. 4.4, 4.5 and 4.6. Okay, we need to reference the Shooting Star Festival more. The Toad could say this festival should be for me because I'm the real shooting star. Yes, I like that. Should be about me because I'm the real star. He's such an asshole.
Definitely has I'm not like other Toads energy.
He says Toads can be surfers too. The Shooting Star Festival shouldn't be about me because I'm the real star. I'm totally red.
Is that for the surfing Toad or is that for
It's a surfing guy.
Oh man.
That's my justification. Maybe because I'm into the remix stuff, I'm so waiting for proper level mods sample hardware. Well, then you should be following Render 96 and not Unreal. I'm not referencing Scott the Was. Alright, so these just talk about chill pills. So we have 3 people there talking about the festival, and then the Toad Citizen, the nerd, talking about the festival all the time. Who else needs to talk about it? I think this guy could talk about it. Not this guy here. You should talk about it on Act 1 and 2. Okay, last one. Do you think you could beat this guy in a fight?
Last one, do you think you could beat this guy in a fight?
He's definitely got a good fucking punch. Okay, well, I'm not gonna beat him if he has a fucking machine gun like that.
Rule of thumb, never bring your fist to a gunfight.
I had a chance until he pulled out the fucking machine gun. Hey man, I need to send my Steam Deck back to Saw. Ugh. Where's the nerd Toad? He is in front of the Oh No Seagulls building. This one should start dancing. Let me check that this is actually the dance animation. Making the NPCs seem a bit more alive by making it so that they actually change throughout the course of the game. I think it's pretty good. Can you get cutscene just for the Star Festival? Yeah, maybe. Stuff ran the 96 updates. What did I do? What the fuck? Why are they shitposting?
This is uncomfortable. Mr. Woncho.
I calculated the perfect stargazing spot based on the shooting strategies and wind direction. This is gonna be a great festival. Okay. I'll put him somewhere else. So like it actually looks like he moved, and then he can say something like that. So at first he's like here, telling you what to do. You know what? He should be next to the spawn point, actually. Where do we spawn Mario? Probably here. So we put them... I think the first 2 acts we put them here. And then afterwards he is like at the perfect position to look at the stars. Maybe here is a good position. calculated the perfect spot and based on the planetary rotation and wind. This will be a golly funkin' festival, something like that. What are some nerd words that they would say? I definitely need golly in there. So bad. They're just images with upturned resolution, right? No? With upscaled saturation, I guess. Yeah. A nerd would be unnecessary or both. You need big words. Yes, yes. Actually, it's not really. Nah, I guess, yeah. A lot of stupid nerds are just verbals. Tremendous. Stupendous? What does that mean? Extremely impressive, okay. Okay, well, festival synonym. Let's look up the worst synonyms we can find.
I know a science...
Commemoration.
Commemoration. You're making this as deeply nerdy as possible.
Okay, instead of spots, what could you say instead of spots? Discoloration? Oh no, location. Position.
Coordination.
I calculated perfect coordinates.
There you go.
I calculated the optimal coordinates to stargaze based on a planetary rotation. What can we say instead of rotation?
On the planetary axis.
Gyration?
What the fuck is a gyration?
Yeah, I'm just gonna go with gyration.
What does it mean?
It's like rotation.
Oh.
And
very fancy way of saying
instead of wind, what can we say? Nothing. Direction? What do we replace direction with? Inclination? No. It's pronounced gyration like GIF. Thank you, Jill Claus. Okay. Golly. This will be a stupendous commemoration. Well, in that case, we have to make the other stuff unnecessarily verbose as well. Seagulls took over our storage room. We can't get our decorations for the festival now. I have calculated, but then the text gets too long in this line. Maybe just I've calculated optimal coordinates to suggest based on the planetary gyration and wind direction. Velocity, yes. Vectoration. Wind vectoration.
Wind velocity.
Or air particle vectoration. Seagull Sea Star storage space. Yes, I like that. No, stargaze sounds better. It's a bigger word. Gaze. Someone just gifted me a fucking sub to someone. Why did that happen? Is he streaming my hack? No, he's just chatting. Okay, interesting. Song request. Banger. Let's see what the nerd has to say. I don't want to know about fetish eyes. I didn't export the level. Great. As usual. Oh, this is a banger. Is the V still fucked? I do need to import the letter. What's Mario doing? The directions on these things, we don't have the collision map yet, so... Increasing draw distance for objects, you mean on N64? Of course. We do that once I play the actual game. Hello Gravy Bay, I have no idea what you're saying. Yes, I smooth shaded them. Oh wait, I might not have smooth shaded those, I smooth shaded the sunglasses. I might have forgotten those. Let me check. Nope. Let's do it. Did we forget a toad? I feel like I forgot a toad somewhere. Let me look around for the toad. Am I safe to import your surf icon?
Alright.
Am I safe to import it?
Yes.
Okay,
You're safe to import it.
good. You forgot this one.
You just have to scale them down.
Okay. I gotta give that guy a text, and I think there was another one over here. Or maybe not. What's your primary language? Grunts and caveman noises. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That means hello. I'm just really dumb. I can't stop. I'm from Germany. Okay, still not at the Cumulonimbus dialogue in the game, so that just will learn how to have a good sense of humor. What? No, I speak normal German. Think in your own language wrong, you usually say hello by smashing your cock and balls on the table and start to scratch your butt. I don't think that means hello. Yeah, so I think this toad here is supposed to tell you, hey, you can get inside here. Yeah, that's how are you. What is this? Mystical Beginning. This song is sick. Okay, so this toad is in front of a hotel window that is breakable, and you can just punch the window and get inside for a Yoshi coin. Can I link you the song? Sure. While I think about this, I'm gonna go get some water.
Am I in charge of entertaining them?
Well, I can't talk to them while I get my water, but you can also talk to them if you want.
Ah, I see. I see. Yes, it's time for me to take over stream. Hi, Packing. Try to entertain us. The only way I know how to is through MSK.
No.
No?
No.
Like
I have not nude.
No, he won't. I'm sorry, guys. He won't let me do MS Paint pixel art.
Alright. He needs to give you a hint to break the window. But I don't know if I want this guy to be a rascal.
Maybe he'll say he notices that the window's not very well made, or there's a crack in it.
Yeah, but how exactly do we do this? Is he like, I think no one's looking, you could probably break the window.
Mm-hmm.
You could be like, I can totally break the window and blame it on the seagulls.
Mm-hmm. Or maybe he says the window's dirty because the seagulls are making it messy, and maybe he thinks you're the cleaning man. Janitor.
I think it'd be funny if he was like, I could totally break the window and blame it on the seagulls, and then you break it, and he's like, hey, that was my idea.
That's a good idea. Let's do that one.
Oh no, the window to my ultra deluxe premium class ultra room has to crack, and it lets up nobody punches the cracked window with the B button on the one that says my ultra available Yoshi coin needed for 100%. Also an option. Back to Spyro. Normal people don't use probably in the sentence all the time. That's just a me thing, so I need to make sure that's not... Yeah. You figure the space and no one... Oh, that's also a common thing I do. Yep.
I am back. My computer just told me to upgrade my Windows to Windows 11. Would you please help? Yeah, don't do it. Windows 11 looks terrible.
Yep. Do not install the virus. Every other Windows is usable, I think. Right, it was like 95, or no, Windows XP was fine. Vista was dog shit. 7 was fine, 8 was dog shit, 10 was fine, 11 is dog shit again.
Well, like, Windows 11 is doing the same thing Windows 8 tried to do, where it's like, we're going to completely reformat everything and get rid of the stuff that people are used to because we want change. Like, if it isn't broken, don't fix it. It's that simple. Is it too much to ask to just make something that's functional?
I don't know.
It's all about wowing the stockholders.
You
Wow.
don't wow stockholders with new technology, you wow them with profits.
Yeah. Wow, this is a great piece of dog shit, Windows. Is that how they're gonna wow them? The Toad asked you to upgrade to Windows 11 and then the Windows breaks. Yep. Windows.exe is broken.
Honestly, I hope that we just go into the Google OS dominated world soon. Yes, I want Chrome OS. I want Google to just win the world. Google needs to win the Capitalist Battle Royale because I'm betting on them. If they win, I'm fucking rich. If they lose, we lose. Anything into sponsor block? I have 7 ad blockers, Leila. I do use sponsor block as well. It's one of my team. I think it's great for me personally, but I advise against using it because if you don't use it, I'll make more money. Sponsor block? Come on, guys. You wouldn't download a car.
I would totally download a car. You know how expensive those things are?
I would also download a car.
I mean, someone and his dad 3D printed a Lamborghini. Where was it? Hang on. Let me see if I can find this.
But Leela, that makes you a horrible person. Piracy is wrong. What are the developers supposed to eat?
Here we go.
But Leela, the economy.
There we go. Just for fairness on the review.
You wouldn't download a car? Holy shit, they downloaded a car. That's kinda neat.
Mm-hmm. There you go. That's my meme review for the day.
It's a good meme.
Oh no, I downloaded a Mario 64 ROM. Nintendo's gonna go bankrupt now. Poor Nintendo.
The poor indie devs. Wait. Look at it. If you download a Mario 64 ROM, this image here, not gonna happen. He won't have any food anymore. He said he's just gonna die. That's what you're taking from him. Look how happy he is. Look what you're doing. Can I find a sad version of him? This is Miyamoto after you download Mario 64. You see that? From this to this, just because of you.
Oh no.
Another meme review. Real quick, and then we put the window in.
How goes it? I've been better. I hope things get better. Bye. Goodbye. Oh, hello. How are you today? I've been better. How about you? What's the news from the other?
This is how Canadians talk to each other.
Nothing to talk about. Come along. Be seeing you.
Yep, that's actually how Canadians talk to each other.
Is it true? I've been better. I think the usual answer I get when I ask how someone is doing is I'm here, or I'm alive, or just
Yeah, but Canadians are always like, hello, how are you doing? Hello, I'm doing good. How are you doing? I am doing good. And then you can start actually having a conversation. It's like, why are you doing this? Can you just get to it?
and that's how customer service talks.
It's how all Canadians talk. All Canadians talk like customer service. Hello, fella boy. Optimizing, dude, I swear, every time I talk to a Canadian person, they start with, hey, how are you? And you have to say, great. And then you're supposed to say, how are you? And I hate it. I was like, good, what's up? What do you want? Why did you call me? Why are we talking? Give me the info. Dude, the Canadian conversation meta is just weak. Say bad, my grandma's committed suicide yesterday, get to the point.
No, when you say how are you when someone's having a bad day, they'll say, I'm having a terrible day, everything sucks, my life's falling apart, and I'm here at work, how are you?
I've never heard a Canadian say that.
I have. You're in between me and a flaming hot Cheetos. How fast do you want to die? Getting a call, hey, I need $300.
Well, I mean, I would prefer that over them going, hey, how are you? Just going, yeah, I need $300.
Hey, I need $300.
Yeah, just get to the point. Don't go and sugarcoat it.
Now, if you want to sugarcoat it, you'd say, hi, your hair looks nice today, how are you?
Yeah. Are you trying to fuck or do you need a favor? That would be a funny response. Did it look like shit yesterday? So I think I actually used the model ID twice in here, but I don't know which one. Because I saw that there were clouds that were just being the ring. So that should be 0x for free, solid code. It is. It's 0x53. There we go, easy fix. Okay, so what the fuck, why shirt? Also love the free grade showcase. I kinda have to wear a shirt on stream, otherwise people can't watch me at work. And we lose a lot of viewers. Even though it's uncomfortable. I do have to watch out that I get enough viewers. Because it's kind of my job. Hot top coating. More like cold top coating.
See, if you were to do the hot tub stream, you wouldn't have a hot tub, you'd just have a pool of ice water.
Yeah.
You'd be fighting in a war against the cold while programming.
Dude, an ice bath was kind of fun. I did one ice bath. I liked it.
Like just a bathtub full of ice and cold water?
Yeah, I just took the coldest water. It was here. In winter, I just made the water as cold as possible and took a bath.
You took a bath in the middle of winter.
And ice water.
And ice water. You are insane.
Why? I like cold water.
Cold water's nice in the summer, but in the winter I want to be warm.
Not too fucking bad. Don't be a pussy.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Something's wrong with my window. The window is broken, but more like in cold. But the Germans are not good with cold history shows, don't be a pussy. What? Cold history? What the fuck is a cold history show? Oh, but I do always shower cold, so I'm not being the pussy here. I like cold showers. I enjoy them. C is hot. Water-wise? I think I would feel just kind of warm. It does not work yet, and I don't know why. Let me check if the other one still works. Because we used this code twice, and maybe I make a change that breaks the wall punch thing. Well, yeah, but that's air. Water at 40C should feel lukewarm, I think. You don't know how much it is? Well, you just assumed it's 40C. That's on yourself. I would think a hot shower for like the average person is around 55, maybe 50. That would be my guess. Okay guys, guesses in chat, we'll research this in a second. How warm is the average hot shower? $90, 47. All right. How hot is a hot shower? Wait, what? Okay, well that's the recommendation. What is the hottest safe shower temperature? Well, that's ideal. Is the hot water temperature okay? Oh, temperature higher than 125 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so like 45 maybe? What? The maximum safe hot water temperature is 43 C. This is for bath or shower. Ha! Oh, so they're actually not as hot as I thought they would be. Crazy. I thought the water was a lot hotter. Oh wait, that fucking thing was still in the level. Well, no wonder it didn't work. Centigrade? What is a centigrade? It's a thermostat with 1,000 likes. Ah. Do you figure out why the fire in Cooper Carnival doesn't work? I have not actually looked into it. It's weird that it's not solid. And then afterwards we have to set a window texture there. Do you get any ideas why? It might be an nth color bleed. There we go. Now we gotta make the window look easy to break. Do you think the BS2 could have used the cutscene 3D mods of characters for normal gameplay as well? Probably not. I mean, this is so much crunched that I think there has to be a reason they crunched it this much. Alright, how do I make it look broken? What's a good texture for that? Maybe the windows should just be black. Like so. Or maybe orange with like cracks in it. The Minecraft break texture. Well, I usually hate your Minecraft ideas. This one might actually be good. Seriously, speed 1.6, it's faster. Like that. Looks kind of good. All the emulators are dog shit inaccurate. Just use one that is fast to test with. You don't want to test for accuracy on an emulator. Cool. Interesting. The game just said goodbye. I don't know why. I hope it's at least a consistent crash. It is. What the fuck? But Legacy of Kain is the grandfather of active storytelling video games. It's kind of built upon the concept of destiny as like a coin falling into. Okay, just the fact that it's built on the concept of destiny makes me dislike it. The fuck do people even mean by that? Someone define destiny for me. You guys know the case way. Give me a definition and then we can talk about it. It's a native feature, BBH. Literally everything that happens. So to English that would translate everything that happens is like a coin falling onto one of its two sides. If you toss it enough, it might fall onto its edge. That means if you do the same thing often enough, you will get rare results. Yeah, that's kind of obvious. And why are we getting all these follows from? All of a sudden. Hello, Neovin. Alright, something about this texture the game just doesn't like, I think. And it's very weird. Does it work again like this? I thought the case way of arguing. Okay. There's no way the fucking texture crashes, right? What the hell? The texture just crashes? Check Discord for Cooper Carnival. Oh, and the new Bowser Bridge. It looks like it could work, but at the same time, it's a different style, isn't it? Nope, it just fucking crashes. That is interesting. Why would the texture crash the game?
Wait, what? You have a texture that's crashing the game?
Yeah. I have never seen something like this. This could be an invalid pointer. I don't think it's overflow. I mean, of course it's not overflow, that doesn't even make any sense. I bet it uses the same name somewhere twice. And that's the issue. Maybe that's not it. Extremely weird. Let's just change the name, see what happens. I bet it's some dumb compiler bug, like for sure. It's like it's getting the wrong vertices from somewhere. Wait a second. Wait a second. Nope, that's not it. Okay, let's make sure it actually happens in here. I think the issue actually would have it on PC port. So that's not it. Probably dumb case bug. I think it's a compiler bug. You get index out of bounds errors? That is disgusting. The game should literally just execute that as if the index was in bounds. And just fuck it, see what happens. Okay, that is very weird. It happens. Okay, so the bug starts happening if I add the texture. But even if I don't render the texture, the bug still happens. That is a bit sus. The bug happens as soon as I add the texture, but without the texture, the bug still happens. Right? Even if I don't render it. So it's not related to rendering the texture. Just the fact that it exists causes this bug. Let's try a different texture. Or wait, no. I'm gonna put this one here. Let's see if it still happens. What the fuck? There's no way we're out of RAM. Unless we are. If we are out of RAM, then this should have fixed it. I don't think we're out of RAM though. This level's not that high poly. Yeah, it's still here. What if we disable the whole geo layout? It still happens even without the geo layout. What if you disable the code? Is it the collision that breaks maybe? Nope. Just the raw existence of this thing. Huh. Even if I don't run any code at all.
Bye, Newt. We'll see you again soon.
See ya, Newt. I will test your texture in a bit later. The one issue I have with your texture is that it's gonna be hard to use because I don't have a preview for that because I'm still on version 4.
You made it sound like you were leaving, Newt. What's the issue you want me to fix, Leela?
Keep object with code, delete 3D model. That is not even possible, I think.
Leela, I can't fix a crash. That's what Case is here for.
Leela, I'm not sure I'm supposed to use your texture though, actually. I feel like I can't make it work. Whether this is because I have skill issues or not is something we will find out once we are done with this. But I don't think that the existence of the texture killing the entire game is somehow my fault. It's your fault. I have problems accepting that.
Oh, thank you, Newt.
But you tried a different texture. It could just be the existence of a second material. Because it is a layer 6 material. Oh, I have an idea. I do have an idea. Yeah, see? It crashed even without the object. I think I know what it is.
Hey, Evil Con.
I thought it might be a FAST64 bug. Let's try something. If it was a FAST64 bug, then this will fix it. Not having anything to debug with kinda sucks. We do have some debug tools if we want to read a MIPS assembly, and I do use that sometimes, but only after having serious trouble. Maybe it was not a FAST64 bug. What if I use a different texture for this one? Still there. And it, oh, wait. Is it a crash related to toads? Or is it the window? No, it's gotta be the window. As soon as you see the window, it crashes. What if I move it over here? You tried this on N64 just to make sure Project 64 is being cringe? No, and I don't see how Project 64 can be cringe here. I'm pretty sure this is GCC linking some of these files to something that is not loaded. Still crashed over there. You saw how it still crashed, like, as soon as we saw this, instead of in any other spot. So that makes me feel like it's not the window again. This is a super weird crash. It's like some of the vertex indices from the level model are being attached to Mario, despite that being something that should never happen. Yeah. It always beams to this thing here. It's a crash related to a vertex buffer. Well, the fact that one of Mario's vertices is being connected to this means that it has to be a vertex buffer thing. Or that the vertex buffer is definitely getting messed up. So now I compiled a version with the window being invisible. I was always able to crush the window. Yeah, there it is again. Okay, I have a funny idea. Some kind of comment to clear the vertex buffer, you could try it. No. It's a dumb idea. I don't want suggestions to try and fix this problem. Like, I can do this myself. I think the issue is most likely in the name of the texture. Yes, really. In the name of the texture. The vertex buffer literally cannot overflow. Yep, and what's the name of the texture? See, if you have two materials of different layers in the same one, FAST64 will append underscore layer X to it. So because we added a second material, it appended the underscore layer X. And because we had the texture with the same name in the object and in the main level, and we probably also had the crack in like another level, it generated the same name twice, and it linked to a file from a level that wasn't loaded. And because it was referencing data that wasn't loaded, it crashed. I'm pretty sure that's what happened. So this was a FAST64 issue. But why the vertex thing? Probably was appending garbage data, and the garbage data happened to look like a try one comment with a vertex that was already loaded. I removed the emote because you guys used it to bully cozies instead of for funny stuff. Leela, I'm not sure how I'm supposed to use your bridge. Let's check out Cooper Carnival real quick and see what we can do with Leela's bridge. What do you mean? How am I supposed to UV map that? For index out of bounds? No, I'm saying index out of bounds errors shouldn't even exist. Like, you're playing with training wheels if you get an index out of bounds error. How does Windows or this machine you run it on even detect that the index is out of bounds? Like, what kind of fucked up errors do you use that it even knows how long the array is? It shouldn't. It should just let you go cowabunga on the data. It's an easy replacement. I don't see it. But fine, I will try it just to see why you're wrong. Why would it not be? Is that what you wanted? Wait, is this the intention? Because then, yeah, that was an easy replacement. And this looks good. What did it look like before? I just want to get the before and after real quick. It looks pretty much the same to me, but we can use it in texture. You just auto UV it. Ah, of course. Auto UV. Just press the magic auto UV button. Oh god, what happened? What happened? What is going on? Get me out. Help? Okay, we're saved. I don't know what just happened. Is that what you want? I think this one might be a bit too wide now. Like so. This is pretty. Shit, I didn't scale all of them at once. We have to undo that, because I messed it up. Takes a bit to undo. Yep, that's the undo button. It's a bit long and painful. Can you really not see the details I added to the texture? I see a bit of roughness. Is that what I'm supposed to see? I mean, I think it looks better. There we go. So it's been inside for 40 minutes or so. That means I'm gonna die soon.
No, I was working on finishing Jinxie's commission.
Oh, phew. Okay, guess I don't
And
die.
it's all finished.
Nice.
If only he was here to see it. Well, I mean, I can definitely make another billboard.
Well, let me put this one in first. Alright, time for yours.
Yes.
Let's see. Okay, it has to look good at 127x63. That's like the most we can do. Okay, yeah, that looks good, I think. If you say nothing, I'm gonna assume that's a yes. That's a yes. Let's go. This check actually clayman doesn't give an error, but it's smart enough to put a warning that the index is out of bounds, which is really sick. Yeah, modern dev environments are like really good with stuff like that. Make the underline darker than the font so it doesn't say sure. Yeah, that actually looks like it says Cooper's Sure Shop. But I'm already too far in.
I mean, I could just get rid of the outline. Or the underline.
Well, I already did the work now.
Oh, never mind then.
You didn't look when I asked you to look. You just ignored me.
I was in my commission. I didn't hear you.
Man,
Sorry.
it's fine. It's still gonna look really good.
Mm-hmm.
Oops, I picked the wrong one. What the fuck did I do? I completely messed this up, didn't I? I did. What the hell? Oh, is it because I pressed Ctrl Z while it was loading? It must be. Can choose other billboards are going to will be able to see anything. We can N64 test the billboards in a second. Case and got insane custom code but struggled to put an image in the splinter robots bring them to surface in correct order. I did it in the correct order, I just pressed Ctrl Z in Photoshop so fast that it saved the Ctrl Z in the image as well. You're really gonna blame me for having fast fingers? My fingers are literally just too fast for this. I'm sorry for being so good at my job that it's too good. I picked the code out correctly, by the way, just for the record. But are your fingers so fast that your keyboard cannot register the keystrokes? Okay. That looks good.
Ooh.
Very HD.
Koopa Surf Shop.
Alright, as promised, we do a quick N64 test. Port Elden Ring to N64. Do it yourself, coward. HD, I can count the pixels. How many pixels are there? Tell me. SD card not found? That's because I didn't put an SD card in. There's about 16,384 pixels in that billboard. That is not the correct amount. Try again. How many are there actually? 127 multiplied by 63, and that's like 7,200 plus 420, 7,620 plus 3 multiplied by 127, that's 254,381. Yeah. So only about 8,000. Unbelievable that Lena would lie to us like that. And I feel like this is another really dumb bug. Let's see what this crashes. 802214. Process master list. Yeah, the RAM is not being cleared properly if you enter the source select, I guess. That is really annoying. Of course I'm right, Leila. I computed it right in front of you. Yeah, so some of these buffers seem to be invalid when you append them. I think some of the curl list nodes are just invalid. Where's the first list coming from? Node list heads not 0. But the list heads are all 0. No, I've never done speedrun races. I don't speedrun. Okay, there's some weird bug here that happens when you transition areas. I don't think we can fix it right now. I should look into this off stream. I think we're done for today. I'll fix the bug another day. It's not an on-stream thing, it's too complicated. I'll see you guys in the next stream. Bye bye.
Bye bye.